Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first go to the settings and here scroll down to the silence and vibration section. Now here you can see that silent mode on our device is activated. To deactivate it, just tap once on the switcher, and if you wanna turn it on, just tap on the switcher again. As can you see here, we got the message that the silent mode is on. Also we can silence the media in the silent mode. So and the second way, let's just go here to the volume buttons, tap on the button, and here you will see the three dots icon. Tap here and now just swipe down with your finger, and as can you see, the silent mode is turned on your device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.